All right, mamas, you know I love non-tech time and I love fun crafting, so why not craft with a real artist? Hey, Elizabeth.
Hi, guys.
Today we're joined by Elizabeth Sutton and we're in her studio and you're going to show us a little crafting projects that we can do with our kids that's not too difficult and loaded with glitter.
Glitter, paint. So I'm going to teach you a couple of techniques that you can actually apply to a bunch of different types of crafts. I have some MDF cutout stars here.
Okay.
You can buy them online inexpensively from Etsy or Amazon. Support creatives, go on Etsy.
Cool.
But they have lots of different shapes, letters.
Yeah. I see these at like Michael's too. Okay. You're using Liquortex Professional, but is like any paint okay?
Go on Amazon, honestly, and Google heavy body paint or light body. Any acrylic paints would work for this. Even a house paint would work for this. Anything water-based, not oil-based.
Got it, okay.
If you want to create some type of design on it, and you can go crazy based on how crafty you are,
Okay.
you put a piece of tape, you go over it with any credit card, any type of edge.
Excellent use of a credit card, fantastic.
Yep. And then you take some glue. You can use Elmer's glue. I'm using Mod Podge because I have a lot of different glues here. And then you peel it off, and it's half glitter.
Guys,
half
oh my
paint.
God. My mind is racing. Mamas, I hope your minds are racing too. This is so much fun. Ladies, thank you so much. Check out this lovely lady at ElizabethSuttonCollections.com. I'm at Pamela Pekerman on Instagram. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a button here somewhere. I never know where it is, but it's somewhere here. Don't forget to subscribe and keep on hustling and crafting your own special way.